speaking on testing and increasing the speed of your website. I recently attended a meetup on April 17th about increasing the speed of your website. So it's really important for entrepreneurs because having a slow website could lead to your customers leaving and purchasing the items from somewhere else. And not being able to load everything is very frustrating. So you're having a potential of losing them and for them not returning to your website ever. So there's a couple things to check your speed. I have 3 tools for you to check out. The first one is Page Speed Insight. This gives you the opportunities that shows you the deferred off-screen images. It reduces the server response time, which means faster page loading time, and it also eliminates rendering blocking sources. So that way you get a proper image for the site. Also too, it runs diagnosis to make sure that it ensures the text so you're running the best and fastest website for you. The next one is the webpagetest.org. This is great because it is a request for being loaded. It scores you on how your website is running and the areas you can improve in. So you can always be testing your website off and on to make sure that it's up to speed and that it's good for your customers. The next tool for checking the speed is GT Matrix. This gives you performance scores, so that way you can see how you're performing and always be testing your website to make sure that your speed is correct. Next, I'm going to talk about some plugins that you can use to help with the speed and correct image size. The first one is WP Rocket. This helps merge JavaScript files. It helps with the cache, which enables for mobile devices. It does cost though, so you're looking at $29 for a single site or $99 for unlimited sites if you have multiple sites that you're running. The next plugin that you can use is WP Express. This is an XGen format and it helps optimize the sizes. It figures out the best way to deliver the image for the people that are looking at it, and it also increases the speed of your site. The next one's a really cool one. It's called AMP, and it's supported by Google and it's free. So it's lightning fast pages. It strips down the version for the mobile, so it's just the title and the content. And it also is one of Google's favorites, so it automatically bumps up the service date on your thing, so you're going to pop up higher up on the Google search engine. The next one plugin I'm going to speak about is the image optimization. It is an EWW image optimization cloud, which images are stored in different areas so they load faster. So if you're in New York, it's going to be stored closer to that area. Also too, it's going to be stored in Las Vegas, so that way it doesn't matter where people are, it's going to pull from the closest bank, so that way they're not waiting for something to go across the country or across the world. And the final plugin I'm going to speak about today is Cloudflare. And this is a plugin that is used to speed up and protect your site. It runs analytics, it has threats to your site, and also the bandwidth of your site. I hope these plugins and these checking your speeds tool helped. This is very important for entrepreneurs to have fast sites, so that way if you're in the e-commerce, you're not losing potential customers. All right, thank you.